Well, alright, all of us guys here and nobody brought a belt. This takes an A34. I don't have that size. I carry a lot of belts, but I don't have that one. But that's where this comes in. This belt right here is a lifesaver. It's adjustable with links. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what I mean by that. I'm gonna make my own belt here. It'll be temporary until we can get the original belt and we get the right size. So on this one, you're just going to take the belt that it's there and measure out how much you need. And once you know that, all you're going to do is twist these tabs here and it starts coming apart. And then I'll show you, it goes back on the exact same way. You put it in, the tab through the hole and you twist it back and it'll lock. Yeah, it's pretty simple and straightforward. You can make any size you need. And now we can get this unit up and running without having to run to the supply supply house, and we'll just come back when we're in the area. Perfect fit, so let's go back on the roof. Man, they've dropped my wrenches and I gotta go fish for them. I lended to them for 10 seconds. Go.
It's alive! It's alive!
And it lives another day. That condenser motor kind of stalled out, so we didn't think it was going to work. But it's running. Good. Well, they called that it was dropping stuff down here. I guess it had a rust and dirt that accumulated because we were careful not to drop anything. But yeah. Hey, what's up guys? I was hoping to do that call on my own or like with my brother just to help me out with the lifting and stuff, but that didn't happen. Well, the other guys had finished up some maintenance calls, so my dad told them, you know what, if you guys want to stop by and help out with like the lifting and taking down the blower wheel and whatnot. So we were all there. It's slow season, so you know. So I didn't get to show like the detail of replacing it, like taking it off and all that. But it was pretty simple. We got the blower assembly. That way we didn't have to deal with too much hassle. So whenever you have like big parts like that or just expensive parts on anything, you want to get the assembly if there's an assembly, or just as many parts as you can that go to what you're working on. That way you don't have any issues later on. You don't have anything give out on you. You don't have any hassle with like time, because it's going to take, if I had done just the blower wheel, oh man, that would have taken forever just in labor getting that thing off. I probably wouldn't have been able to do it with it how rusted it was. But there was nothing to it, you know, just put it in place, set up your shaft and pulley and everything, line it up with the other pulley, and it was simple. Didn't give us too much trouble. We are polishing a turd though, because that unit is extremely old, and they were just like, you know what, can you just fix it? We're not going to replace it right now. So we got it going, and it's only working on the secondary compressor because that primary one is dead. I checked it again today, and I could, like, there's nothing we can do with it. That one had open windings, yeah, and it's not tripped on overload or anything. So we just ran it like that, and then the condenser fan motor actually stalled a bit, so I don't know if that's giving out too, and I don't know. We'll see what happens. can only do what the customer wants you to do and what they're willing to pay. I do have a video on the diagnosing of this one. This is the Trane on its last leg. It really is. And on that video I have where we found, you know, the blower wheel and the shape that it is in. You can see how bad it is. And that's where I check the compression and everything. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like, leave a comment, and I will see you guys on the next one.